Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the battery percentage. Make sure you have at least a few minutes to change settings without interruptions. Once done, unlock the iPhone with Face ID or passcode because settings sometimes requests it. Next, open Settings and tap Battery immediately. That navigates you to the panel that controls power. You do this because low power mode reduces system activity and background fetch, so you want to enable it from the correct place rather than guessing through menus. Now tap the low power mode toggle to turn it on. You'll see the toggle change and the battery icon may turn yellow. You do this because it lowers CPU performance, pauses mail fetch, and reduces visual effects to extend life. Make sure to glance at battery health too, since a degraded battery changes expectations for runtime. After enabling, adjust auto lock and background app refresh as needed, because those extra steps compound savings and give you predictable battery behavior. Finally, verify the battery icon turns yellow and watch for improved estimated time remaining. This confirms low power mode is active. Once confirmed, add the low power mode control to Control Center for instant access later. Open Settings, Control Center, then add the toggle. If the mode doesn't enable, reboot the iPhone first and then check for iOS updates. These steps resolve most glitches. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.